Hi, in this video, we will talk about relative locators, right? So we already talking about relative locators in our previous videos also. So in our previous videos, we done above, below, to left of, to right of. So in this video, we'll see near, okay? How near will work. So the element which you want to interact may not have proper attributes to find that particular element, but near to that element, some other element may have proper attributes. So with the help of that proper attributed element, we will find nearby that element. Okay. So we see that above locator, below locator, to left of, to right of. The same way we'll see near locator. Near locator demo. Okay. And I'll copy paste the same, launching the browser and navigating to this URL. And here, the same thing I'll take, instead of to right of, I'll take near. The reason is, so let me go to the actual, you see that I want to click on skip sign in. This skip sign is near to this sign in. In our previous video, we have seen that this is right of. This skip sign in button is right of sign in button. At the same way, it is near to sign in also, right? Same way, it is near to sign in. Okay, then we'll use the same thing, but instead of to right of, we will see near and we'll see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so I'll type web element sign in button. What is that sign in button? Driver dot find element by dot id btn1. Okay, and what is the other element? This is also button. Skip sign in also a button. What is that attribute tag name? Button. So web element skip sign in button is equals to driver dot find element, and we need to use with. Okay, we need to use this with, and this is a static, so it will not directly give you auto suggestion. We need to do manually static import. What is that? Import static org dot openqa dot selenium dot support dot locators dot relative locator dot with. So we need to add manually, and then we can start using that with. So with by, what is that? We know at least tag name. What is the tag name? Button. So skip sign in button is what? Nearby. So near to what? Sign in button. That's it. So I'm saying this skip sign in button is near to sign in button. Right. So if you have direct attributes, we can directly find that element that we already know. But unfortunately, if you do not have any proper attributes to find that element uniquely or simply, then if some other element is having this option, so by using that, we are using this relative concept. Okay, so this skip sign in button is near to the sign in button. Okay, so then skip sign in button dot click. That's it. We will see whether it is working fine or not. It has to click skip sign in button. If I say with tag name button means there are multiple buttons might be there. You see that? It clicked on that. It is navigated to the next URL. Okay. So near is working. Right. This is how you can use near. If I say with simply tag name, so sign in button is a tag name, has same tag name. Skip sign in is a same tag name. And apart from that, sign in or some other button is same tag name. Right. So this is also one of the buttons. I think this is image, but we at least we have two elements. So if you say with tag name, which element it will identify? Well, there are multiple elements. So because of that, with the tag name and nearby this element. This is how we are finding that element. Right. So we have done near also. So in our next video, we will see combination of all these things. Okay, combination means in any of these things. We can use above, below, left of, below, something like that. So we will see in our next video. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.